Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reacting to a reaction video from Film Flipside. She reacted to Morissette Amon's Akin Ka Na Lang Live on Wish Bus. So she is a Canadian music teacher and she reacted to Morissette. And now I'm going to react to her reacting to Morissette. Mga hangal. Narinig niyo yung sinasabi ko. Okay, let's start. Ano ko ba kayo? Bati ko ba kayo? Hi mga hangal. Hi mga hangal. Let's start. This is such a short reaction video for Morissette.
Teacher Kim is back.
Okay, hi
This
Teacher
time
Kim.
reacting to lots of our viewers wants you to react to Morissette.
Ooh.
Another
Ooh,
this
so
time a professional.
she's got a lot of following from the
professional singer, not
Filipinos.
just your average.
Well, if I'm already impressed by the random drunken karaoke people,
Oh,
you know what I'm
so
gonna say
nakapanood na
about
siya ng mga Pilipinong nagkakaraoke. Ang ganda ni Morissette. Ang ganda rin ng ano niya. Earrings. Oh. Yun lang, diba? Hindi niya naintindihan yung kanta. So, let's see kung ano magiging reaction niya sa vocals na lang kasi naman niya nagigets yung kinakanta ni Morissette. Where's my... Ano, makikinig lang siya? Ganon? 600,000 views nito. And this was posted 11 months ago. Ang sabi niya? Sorry. Perfect naman kasi talaga yung vocal ito. Ni Morissette. No comment on that. I mean, tingnan mo yung posture niya. Makikita mo sa posture pa lang. Mukha emotional nung hindi naman yung nagets yung kanta. Mga hangal, medyo harsh din ako. Depende kung gaano karami yung mga nahatak niyang Pinoy. Gaano karaming nanood. I mean, ang taas ng range ni Morissette. Grabe yung naaabot niyang notes. Flawless kasi talaga, no? Wala ka nang makitang flaw. Technique, tone, fez lock, hair. Tingnan mo naman yung hair niya dyan, bagong reband. Ooh. She was not expecting it. Oh, hi Mariah. Yung transition. Dear, ganda ng transition. Mariah. Ito pa, yung walang hinga-hinga. Ayun na. Ayan, walang hinga. Di ba? Nagulat din siya. Walang hinga. As expected. Grabe naman yun, no? Yung resonance din niya. Chillax lang din tong reaction niya, no? Yung mga moments lang na shocket siya. Hindi niya mapigilang hindi mag-comment. Ibon yan.
Crazy.
Crazy good.
So, like the only reason I say Mariah Carey is because of the wolf whistling.
Wolf
But
whistling.
She's got like Celine Dion vibes too. That she's giving me
A lot
bit
of
there. I think
inspiration.
I'm most impressed with her soft singing because she has so much control.
Oh.
Oh,
She
so
knows exactly when she wants to put a little more breath
tama.
into the sound. She knows when she wants to pull back. Like, yeah,
Tama.
she's obviously a very polished singer.
Naku ba naman,
Her singing
bata
is
pa lang.
insane.
Kontisera
What a
na.
beautiful voice. What a special
Tama,
instrument.
tama.
That's so cool. And she looks like she's loving what she's doing so much.
Right.
It just pulls the audience right in, right?
Yeah.
She's like a,
Nakita
star
ko,
right now
parang,
in the
I'm not
Philippines.
surprised.
Well, thanks for your
mesmerized din siya sa
thoughts.
performance ni Morissette.
Hopefully people are going to be happy with me now that
Hey, I thought it was great. I'm glad I got the opportunity to listen to her.
thanks, Kim.
Yeah.
Off to our next thing.
Takeaway for that video is such a simple video, honestly. No words. Oh, sorry, 400,000 views lang pala. Akala ko 600,000 views. Ano ba? Ano ba ang pwede kong i-ano? Hindi, simple lang. Simple lang siya na reaction video. Honest yung reaction niya. No, alam mo yun, hindi siya overacting or over na, alam mo yun. Yun na nga yata yung word hindi siya overreacting, mag-react na, wow, yung mga gano'n na OA ang reaction. Yung mga nagko-comment lang na akala mo, hello, music teacher si madam. So, alam niya yung mga technique na yun, hindi niyo na kailangang i-explain sa kanya. Pero yun nga, diba, since this is a Pinoy content, marami talagang mga huhok na mga Pilipino. And, ayun lang, amusing na lang din para sa isang Pinoy na nare-recognize ng kahit na hindi mo naman kilala yung tao, yung talent ng isang Pinoy. Malamang di naman na yan ulit makikinig kay Morissette unless i-request ng mga Filipino subscribers niya. Anyway, yun lang. Thank you for watching this reaction video. Reaction video. And yeah, see you in my next reaction video or whatever content.